Okay, my name is Joyce Kiboi. I'm a technologist in PHE lab. In this lab, we check the quality of water, drinking water, wastewater analysis, and treatment of water. So today we are going to look at the determination of pH of a water sample. So pH is the test that is done to determine the acidity or basicity of a water sample. So we are going to check the concentration of hydrogen ions in the sample. So if the sample is highly acidic, we expect the hydrogen ions to be more, which means the pH is low. For a sample that is highly acidic, the pH is low. A sample that is highly basic, the pH is high, which means instead of the hydrogen ions, the sample has hydroxide ions, the OH. So we are going to use a pH meter. This is the pH meter. It has a readout meter over here, and this is the electrode. So the electrode should always be immersed in water, whether it is being used or not. So by water, it means deionized water, water that is free from any ions. So we are going to need a small beaker, approximately 100 ml. This is our sample, and then we will also need we will need a beaker to put our sample that we are going to test, and then we also need calibration standards. These solutions we prepare locally here in the lab. We have one which is 4.0 pH, and then the other one is 6.8. This will enable us to at least have accurate reading. Okay, before testing, you have to calibrate the machine using these two calibration solutions. One is pH 6.8, the other one is 4.0. So you switch on the equipment, then you long press until the name Carl pops up, and then you insert the electrode in the requested standard. The readout will appear not stable until the reading are stabilized, and then it will appear as calibrated. After that, now you're going to insert the electrode into the next calibration standard. So the first one is okay. We rinse the electrode and insert it in the next one, which is 4.0. You're waiting for the reading to stabilize. The reading has already stabilized, and now the electrode is ready to take the measurement for the sample. So you put our sample in a beaker, approximately 75 ml, and you insert the electrode inside the sample. Then you wait for the reading to stabilize, and then we take the reading directly from the meter. The reading has already stabilized, and the pH for this water sample is 6.86. So now this means this water is neither acidic nor basic. It is tending to neutrality. So this is actually water that is recommended. It can be used as a domestic water source. Yeah. So the pH for this sample, I need to write 6.86.